going to be a demonstration of the Option 2 Optical Art project. For this project, you are going to be creating an optical art artwork. To start off, you're going to need to draw a circle on your paper. You'll then place a dot inside of that circle. You'll then create a second circle and also place a dot inside of that circle. Next, draw a straight line across both circles through the dot that is in the center. You'll then create lines that will be slightly curved away from that center dot on the top and on the bottom. Next, you'll create a checkerboard pattern behind the circles, such as this. You'll then come in and do the same with a straight line through the dot vertically, and then create curved lines to the sides of the dot. After you've completed this step, you will pick two markers. These markers should be complementary colors. Remember that complementary colors are colors that are directly across from each other on the color wheel. In this case, I'm going to use red and green. You'll then take the markers and begin to fill in each of the spaces in a checkerboard pattern. So in this case, that pattern will be red-green, red-green. So the top line, we'll start with green. The second, we'll start with red. You'll need to think through what is happening behind your circles. So in this case, we would have a green. This would be the red square that is hidden. So just that little tiny spot peeking out would be our green. This would be red. This would be green. So we'll keep going as we fill in all of these spaces. Once you're all done filling in the circles, you're going to go back over and see if you have any white spots and fill those white spots in. If you need to go back over a space to get the color darker, you'll do that. Once your entire piece is completely filled back in, all the spaces have lots of color in them, there's no white showing through from the paper underneath, you can then scan and submit your work.